I'm Ken Faust. I work for the Dougherty County Sheriff's Office. I'm over the uniform division over there. I've been there for 30 years. You don't get in it for the money. You don't get in it for the fame or glory. It's a calling to help people. Overall health, I've been losing weight, trying to exercise, watch what I eat. Never had any health issues except my sugar, and that's it. I'd put our daughter to bed around 9:30, and I got into bed around 11, and I had some tightness in my chest. All of a sudden, like someone was stabbing me in the chin with an ice pick. I'm talking about just terrible pain in my jaw. I got up, and then I called 911 here in Terrell County. And they were communicating with Phoebe the whole time we were going to Phoebe about, my status. There was a group there at the emergency room doors waiting on me. It escalated pretty quick. I had died like 4 times. I remember them pushing my chest. I was shocked over 70 times to get my heart back to where it needed to be. It was just an amazing feat that team did. They kept the faith. They could have gave up, and they didn't. Apparently I was 100% blocked on 2 of my arteries, and I got 3 stents put in. I'm doing good. I feel like I did before. I really do. I'm just glad to be here. I really am. The people at Phoebe that took care of me, they're touched by God. We are blessed to have a team like that at Phoebe. Don't let pride kill you. If you have discomfort, you need to go get checked out. If you need life-saving cardiac care, you can count on Phoebe.